Hello, and welcome to Easy Math Fun. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we'll talk about one of the most common and important questions everyone wonders: what is math, and why do we need it? Math is the study of numbers, shapes, and patterns. It helps us think clearly, make decisions, and solve real-life problems. Galileo once said that mathematics is the language of nature. Let's take a quick look at how it all began. In ancient times, people couldn't count or measure, so they tracked animals, food, days, and land by simple means. For counting, they used stones, fingers, and marks on walls. That is the first steps toward our number system. They measured distance with hands, feet, and steps. Later, Egyptians used the cubit, that is length from elbow to fingertip, which was the start of modern measurement. These simple methods were the start of a tool that changed human life. As the world developed, people used math to build houses, trade goods, and heal the sick. Math helps engineers design and balance every part of a building, from its shape to its strength and cost. In medicine, math helps doctors give correct doses, researchers find cures, and hospitals run smoothly. Math saving lives through logic and numbers. In ancient trade, people used math to count, weigh, and compare goods, making fair deals. Today, global trade uses math for prices, taxes, conversions, and shipping costs, keeping the world connected through numbers. Ancient farmers used the sun and seasons to plan crops, while today math with GPS and data helps manage fields and boost harvests. Ancient people used the sun, stars, and moon to tell time, but today math and technology measure it with perfect accuracy. Students use math daily to manage pocket money, plan time, share fairly, and stay organized. They even use math to track their height and age, and in coding or science projects to solve problems step by step. Math is the foundation of AI that uses algebra, geometry, and statistics to help machines learn and make smart decisions like humans. It all started from counting on fingers, and today, it powers AI that thinks and learns. Math is truly everywhere, from the shapes of planets to the patterns of leaves. It helps us understand the world, build new things, and think logically. Many people find math difficult because it's built step by step. Like building blocks, if one concept is missed, the next becomes harder. And sometimes, we fear making mistakes, but mistakes are how we learn. To understand math, we just need to practice, think clearly, and keep trying. Math isn't just about numbers, it's a way of thinking that helps us solve problems and make life better. Thank you for watching Easy Math Fun. If you enjoyed learning today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun math stories.